Right now, when I find the road, I got bag up somebody, man, like when Mary bag up Jesus in a manger. So I tell someone where I swear food, man. And I thought, what if the man take me, you know, go poison me, man, I mean, I poison. Because I got bag up someone, man, like that. Yes, my love. Ugly and proud and comfortable.
Ugly and proud. Tell them.
Comfortable.
And comfortable. Not hungry. We're not hungry.
You're not hungry.
She not hungry. She not come out.
And
stay clean.
MackerelOfficial.
Yeah, tell them. Yeah.
Nice and clean.
Government, on nigga Tanya, you look like Nicki now. Still you Tatiana, to keep it 100, bitch, you Wakiana. In the hood like Kiana, or a Tatiana, immigrant from Trinidad. Black Americana, I'm about to shut it down. At Mackerel, you peanut head bitches is always Shellyana. I'm about to get a ring in my bellyana. Tattoo my man name, they give him Sabakiana. 85 comma plus 3 zeros. Has another comma plus 3 zeros. Skin at a dot, bop it that dot, bop it that dot, yo.
Me take a girl, man, me no care. Me take a girl, man, me nah no fair. Lad, don't feel like I take somebody, man, this weekend, lad. I wish part today. Oh, I can go 3% New Kingston, right beside of the Burger King. Come here, say I don't listen all of the rich man there. I'm a lad, God, more come out. Look good and all these things, cause people, man, nice and comfortable. And you know, some of them are braces, JL, got my braces and all these things. People, man, send me down here now. And you're nice and comfortable and cool.
Tell them say small 50,000 right there, mouth.
See, $50,000 man can send me down here for come do my braces. And phone man do it. Phone man comfortable. I'm not stop taking the man and I'm not stop mad to my own. And I can't bust my head again, man. And all these things.
She not video. But she said bust head, she not video.
Alright. Don't get nice. You see, when I don't put in my braces, I just come out and show. Me I go mad to my own. I come from mad girl, them what about, Mama, not up on you. Yes, 73346 SK Catering Service by Stephen Hamilton. Happy Sunday to everybody. I come for talk about the girl them who take them friend man. When you not take on a friend man and a friend no, on a conscience no right no. No man on a life nasty and stay body here. On a life mugga. On a stop taking a friend because man, cause by the end of the day, on and a friend crush ends together. And the man no know. Uno and a friend eat out of the same pot. Y'all wear all the friend clothes. But as soon as you want the girl man, you run up to the girl man, you start tell the girl man a bag of thing about the girl. And when you go so you make it up until the girl a bag of thing about the girl because you want to run one thing from the man and all these things. Uno too nasty man. Uno for stop live so for stop take on a friend man. And take other people man. Uno allow a friend make you prosper. Man son you can't take people man you know. But don't take on a friend man. Because I mean say take people man. But don't take on a friend, man. Oh, God, be a good friend and not a friend killer. People man can't stop take. People man comfortable and nice. I mean enjoy people man. Because at the end of the day, I don't have no responsibility when you take people man. You not wash, you not cook, you not clean. You just collect. People man nice. I don't stop take people man. No man, some man life torment. Some man life miserable. Some man uncomfortable. Everybody has circulate one video. Say my face post. Would I like you to show me? Which papa my face post. The video I got from way back in December. We are back in December the video again. Some of the life for know say what kind of hype una try for look when I circulate the video with some of Facebook. Una see one girl, everybody a talk about me go take the wrong girl man and the girl beat me. But never take a wrong girl man yet. Cause if me take your man, me I go keep your man. Him can never wrong. Some want to show me which part of my face get bust. Una just show me the mark, the scar or whatever. Una too enough and plenty. And that, I want to come try it. But so I can't try it, but I want to make sure it come good. And all these things really come out. But tell the truth and just speak the truth. And who vex me, no care. Nobody can stop a man if a man want to go. Man, we have them good women here. We are wash, cook and clean. Some girl want miles for feed boy. And you see, if the man decides him want to go, there's nothing you can do about it to do make the man go. Because look what. Where the man see, probably you wanna see it in a person. So a man will left him good woman for a cockroach like me. And second for a cockroach like me. So enough people for stop killing up themselves over man. That's all back in the day something. A modern time now, if you share, you share him. Till you can't get the chance to take over. Like me. Me a girl, me not really like people, man. I just like going at people's life. I just like mash up people relationship. So I just like to go, I just like to go and take over. So I take a girl, man, me nah no fear. Not at all, doubly. Not at all. Not at all. To us. Yeah, they don't know, some girl man money just to embrace it, yeah. Yeah, big up to Brace it, Jamaica. Yeah, I don't know the thing go.
So the name what?
Bad. I'm more pretty. Come like them and them uptown story. But now I stop take people man. Cause people man do me ear, do me mouth. What else am I gonna do?
Finger tomorrow, finger tomorrow.
Oh, them gonna do finger. I can't wait. So them just give me back at the market. Yeah. Big up to Brace it, Jamaica. Big up to Brace it, J.A. Why are we going to Brace it, Jamaica? But anyway, that's still Jamaica, I mean. Yeah, but I don't know. Yeah, follow. All the way over here. Because I come with a search if you're on the chance to come and my first.
We have a fear, man.
You don't have to say anything, you have to. You don't have to say anything, you don't have to write like that. You never just want to write this word. What never have to see that you're very perfect?
You can't
I'm fully bad. I don't know what them are doing.
can't live with fear.
And I'm them have been I know I'm
Mackerel.
Goody, come on today. Come right to it and all these things. Yeah, there's a touch point I just compound and all these things. Welcome to my town, Akisha Fashion, 50-year-old young people. I know some here say them have the good people there. Them just have the good things there. Some here say when you want to take people, man, and you want to impress people, man, when you just come shut down your door. 50-year-old street young people. We come on, some here say today, nice things and all these things. Come out all these things. See them come down a carry. See they here well nice. It's when people want to give me the good money, they bring up run come down here, come get the good hairstyle and all these things. See they? I'm not lie, I'm not laugh. I like it. Carry did it again. What are we people man nice and comfortable? What are we people man nice by me class and all these things? If them come out see them, I hear about the good class to it, they say them a Central Plaza, we have the best class, and I buy my class down there, they have the best class too. It can't mash up, it just stay good. You can wear them class that rainy day and sunny day. You can't wear them class that go anywhere, anytime. See there, shop 22 Central Plaza right there so. People man nice and comfortable. See there, I'm not take off my class. Me a be in my class, sleep in my class, wear my class for every. tired to see me in my class. I love people, man. Shop 22 Central Plaza.